Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at some of the advantages of multiple ground electrode spark plugs. There are spark plugs with the traditional single ground electrode and single center electrode. This is the most commonly available spark plug type. As you can see, on the traditional spark plug there is one ground electrode and there is one center electrode. This is the most commonly available spark plug that is in market today. But there are spark plugs with multiple ground electrodes. For example, if you look at this spark plug, it has 4 ground electrodes. The center electrode is surrounded by 4 ground electrodes. So this is a multiple ground electrode spark plug. A spark is provided alternatively. Spark can jump to one ground electrode and next time it will jump to the other. So spark electric current always prefers the shortest path possible. Among the given alternative, the spark always chooses the one with least resistance, so it will alternatively jump from the center electrode to the individual ground electrodes. So spark is not always jumping to one side, it is alternatively jumping throughout the entire circumference of the center electrode. This is a 4-pin type ground electrode spark plug. There are also spark plugs with 3 ground electrodes. For example, this spark plug has 3 ground electrodes. As you can see, the center electrode is surrounded by 3 ground electrodes. This is also a multiple ground spark plug. There are also spark plugs with 2 ground electrodes. Now let's have a look at some of the claimed advantages of multiple ground electrode spark plugs. There are people in favor of the multiple ground electrode spark plugs, and there are people in favor of a traditional single ground electrode spark plug. Let's have a look at some of the advantages that is presented by those in favor of multiple ground spark plug. 1. Improved ignition. Multiple ground spark plugs have more than one ground electrode, which creates a larger spark area, and this large spark area ignites the fuel-air mixture more efficiently, resulting in better combustion and improved engine performance. So one claimed advantage of the multiple ground spark plug is that they can provide a large area spark that can improve ignition. 2. Better fuel efficiency. By igniting the fuel mixture more efficiently, multiple ground spark plugs can help improve fuel efficiency. This is because a more complete combustion of the fuel mixture means that there are less fuel wasted or less fuel left unburned. So by doing so, better fuel efficiency is achieved by multiple ground spark plugs. The third advantage claimed for multiple ground spark plug is that they have reduced emission. When the fuel mixture is burned more completely, there are fewer emission products. Multiple ground spark plugs can help reduce emission of harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. This is because, as we have said previously, multiple ground electrodes are claimed to have improved ignition. By improving the ignition, we can reduce emission. 4. Longer lifespan. Multiple ground spark plugs have more surface area than traditional single ground electrodes. This means that they are less likely to become filled with carbon deposit, which can reduce their lifespan. Multiple ground spark plugs can last longer before needing to be replaced, which can save money in the long run. And finally, 5. Improved reliability. Because multiple ground spark plugs distribute heat more evenly across the spark plug, they are less likely to develop hot spots. This can help improve overall engine reliability and reduce the risk of engine damage. So these are some of the claimed advantages of multiple ground spark plug. Multiple ground spark plugs can provide several advantages over the traditional single ground spark plugs, including improved ignition, better fuel efficiency, reduced emission, longer lifespan, and improved reliability. Dear viewers, please always remember that these are claims, and these claims are not fully accepted by those that are in favor of a traditional single ground electrode. I would like to hear your comments and suggestions regarding the possible advantages and disadvantages of using multiple ground electrodes down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please smash the like button. If you are new here, do consider subscribing and turn on notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.